Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with
Quincy. I'm Quincy and this is Petra.
Yeah, we've done a couple of these now and we're pretty excited. We are making cheesecake. It is a no-bake cheesecake. We're using pectin instead of gelatin, so it makes it completely vegetarian as well, which is always really nice to do.
That is.
Also kosher, because gelatin, if you didn't know, is made out of boiled bones.
Did not know
the stuff that rises to the top.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, it's good to do. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk Quincy through all these steps. We're gonna get all these things started out and we'll come back to you afterwards. So to start off, we had to prepare a few things. We have 12 ounces of cream cheese. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
I have the zest and juice of 1 lemon. It's all in here together. Here I've got the pectin. It is mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. It's about 2 ounces of it. And it's just dissolving in here. It's kind of getting gluey again. You might need to get some more warm water, but it'll be fine. I've got 1/3 of a cup of Splenda, 2 egg yolks, well 2 eggs total, separated. So I've got the yolks here and the egg whites here. And then I've got 300 mils of whipping cream. And so Quincy asked a really good question earlier. He's like, why can't we just throw it all in at once? So with baking, there's always going to be a lot of different steps. And they're there for a reason. It just helps with the consistency. It stops you from getting lumps of flour in weird places. And we always want to put the lighter and airier things in at the end because we don't want to beat it up. We just want to keep it light, like still really rich, creamy and flavorful, but still nice and light as well.
And you were saying you didn't want to flatten it. Right?
Yes.
That was the term you may use.
Yeah, flatten. Well, you just spend all this time putting as much air as possible into these products. You don't want to just
lose all that air. Yeah.
lose all the air. Perfect. So while Quincy is going to start, he's going to use an electric egg mixer. And he's going to start beating this and then gradually go down the line and add things as he goes. I'm going to, it's over here. I've got a lined springform pan, what will be. We did a quick little video on the AFN Facebook page to show you how to line a springform pan. So that'll be nice for you to go watch if you don't know how to do it. And then secondly, I've got some of my Sugar Shortbread cookies.
Oh.
They're low sugar, really good, very buttery. So I'm going to line this, press it in, bake it in the oven for 20 minutes, just the crust by itself, and we'll go from there. We'll catch back with you soon.
See ya.
So we are back. We have got a crust that has been baking for about we did it for like 25 minutes. We felt it needed a little bit more. It is still hot, but that is fine. Here we have Quincy's lovely cheesecake mixture. And in fact, if you wanted to line a pan and do it without the crust completely, you absolutely can. You can just put this in like little dishes and it will like set.
Oh.
So it's like cheesecake filling.
Yeah.
It's really good. But have that with just some berries on top. It's also really tasty. But for the sake of this, we're going to do a full-on cake. So what we're going to do is I've got the sides here as well. The middle is baked in. And Quincy, if you don't mind giving me a hand.
That's looking good.
Yeah, so you can see these are all the bubbles, the air bubbles from all the aerated products. And it's got like a bounce, like a jiggly. It's good.
You want to keep that bounce, yes.
Yeah.
This smells amazing, by the way. Just letting you guys know. It smells amazing.
Ooh. And again, this is just the base. You can add anything to it. Just mixed berries and fruit. You even do like a rum raisin. Cling film is optional, but if you want, you just put that on the top and leave it in the fridge. Probably for about 2 to 4 hours minimum, depending on how cool it is and how hungry you are. So this is a cheesecake in a springform pan that you lined.
Yeah.
Into the fridge it goes.
Cheesecake.
By us.
Pomegranate seeds. That's what we need now.
Yeah. We'll do that when it cools. So our cheesecake has been sitting in the fridge for about 2 hours or so, I'd say. It's time to do the scary part. Make sure it's chilled enough.
Oh, this is scary.
It's terrifying. So what you're going to want to do with the springform pan is you're going to undo this latch here. It just pops open. Do it this way. Can we grab it from the bottom?
Got it. Got it.
There we go. Lovely. Sugar cheesecake.
So I gotta.
Yeah.
It's time for me to cut
it's time
this.
for you to cut it.
Okay. Moment of truth.
Yes. Right down there. The base is a little bit crispy.
There it is.
Yeah.
There's the base.
Perfect. Doing a good job.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Do you want to share a slice?
I figured. Let's do that.
Okay. So then Feel around the bottom.
Oh, that's cool that you did that. Bon appetit!
Cheers.
All right.
It's really good. I like it.
Oh, that's cheesy.
It's nice with the shortbread at the end because it gives it like sort of like a toasted flavor almost.
Yeah, it gives a little crunch to it. So this is a no-bake cheesecake.
Yeah. Well, kind of a lie. We do bake the crust, but while the crust is in the oven, I tune to make the filling, and so it's all takes like half an hour to put together. Like absolute max, and that includes, you know, baking time of the crust. Because it's made with raw eggs, though, I do suggest you eat it in under 3 days. The raw eggs, you can eat it. It's just like mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is made with raw eggs as well. Just make sure they're pasteurized and that it's sealed and kept in the fridge when it's not being eaten. So it's lovely seeing you again, guys. We will see you again soon. So if you got any more comments or suggestions for us to try, feel free to leave us a comment.
And also, if you're ever inclined, join the AFN mailing list at alternativefoodnetwork.com. You can always see when we're doing these videos and always be in the now, as they say.
We're gonna go eat the rest of this, but until next time.